So live process we have to start. So we have done with the transportation yesterday, we have finished, right? Transportation plants we have started. So in transportation plants, water and minerals are transported by
Xylem.
are transported through xylem. So here in this one, first how roots absorb water. That is important part. That is by again the pressure or difference, ionic constant, ionic exchange. To absorb water from the soil, root hairs are present. There are many millions of root hair are present inside the soil. So they actively take up ions which are dissolved in water. So concentration of iron in this root increases, and outside it is decreases. To ionic constant, ions are there. So because of that, to eliminate that difference to maintain the constant equal, so water will rush in inside the root. So this is 2 mark question, very important question. I told you to underline in your textbook also. There exactly 2 lines are there, you have to remember that. So to eliminate this difference, water will enter the root. So this way the root absorbs water. That water will start moving from one cell to other cell, cell to cell to cell, cell to cell. It will keep on transferring. Finally, it will enter the root xylem. So xylem of the stem. Now it has to go upward. In small bushes, grasses, it will move with a capillary action. So what is capillary action? What do you mean by capillary action? For the shorter distances, capillary action is done. Switch on your video, everyone, first. So what is capillary action? Yes, Amrita?
I don't remember.
Should know. This is everyday life. It is happening in front of you. Every day. It is happening in our life. We have seen. It's nearby. Rohit? Rohit B?
Ma'am, even I don't remember it much. I'm not sure.
Anish?
Ma'am, it's like the flow of a liquid without any resistance or something. Like, I'm not able to explain it properly.
Example, can you tell?
The flowing of water into the soil. No.
Bhavya?
Ma'am, I don't know about capillary action.
So simple. It's very easy. Okay, fine.
Is it oil flowing into the big?
Yes. Yes, exactly. So when we lit diya, in that cotton wick is present, we keep a cotton wick which is dipped in a oil, and then when we burn it, slowly the oil moves upward through that wick. Or you have seen chromatography. In that, when you filter paper, if you dip into water, what will happen? One part of the filter paper, only one end of filter paper is dipped in water. After some time, you will see that is full filter paper has been absorbed water, water. So water moves upward direction. So this is called capillary action. So through the thin tube, very thin, minute tube-like structures are there. Through that, the liquid moves upward. That action is called capillary action. That means water will start moving upward direction through any particular medium. thin minute holes, it will start moving upward, but it will cover a shorter distance. It won't happen in a longer distance. So more height it cannot travel. For that reason, now water has to be moved in upward direction. In tall trees, what happens in tall trees? So tall trees, the water will move upward due to suction pull created by transpiration. Just like when we suck air from the straw, then only the continuous juice will start moving into the straw and it will start moving upward direction, because it has started eliminating the air pressure difference. Inside the straw, pressure is less. Outside the straw, outside on the liquid juice, this one is more. Air pressure is more. So air pressure pushes liquid into the straw. So this way, the juice will start coming upward direction. Same thing happen in case of leaves also. Through the leaves, water is given out. That is we call as transpiration. So with the help of transpiration process, water is evaporated out. So that means amount of water in the leaves is less. And then amount of water at the bottom of that xylem tubes. Xylems are actually tube-like structures. So bottom of the tube, there is a more amount of water, and the one end of the tube, there is no water or very less water. So we know always that is water will move from higher pressure region to lower pressure region. So near the bottom, at this position, at this position, there is a water pressure is more, and here in the near the leaves, the water has moved out. So pressure of the water in the leaves is very less. So here is more, here is less. So water will move in this direction. Like this way, it will transfer. It get pulled upward. That is we call as transpiration pull. That creates a suction due to which the water moves upward in tall trees. So this way the transportation of water and mineral takes place through the xylem. Okay, so when the transportation of water and mineral in the xylem, you have to explain. So first thing, you have to take absorption of water through soil. By roots. Then next is ascent of sap. That is transpiration pull. So you have to explain these two things. Here the definition of transpiration and three functions of transpiration. These are the important factors. Okay. So what is transpiration?
The evaporation of water from the surface of leaves.
From the surface of outer surface of the body of the plant. Aerial part of the plant. Instead of using leaf word, use the word from aerial parts of plant. So evaporation of excess water from the aerial parts of the plant is called as transpiration. Okay, three functions of transpiration.
It cools the plant.
It cools down the
It,
plant.
it
Sec-
ensures that the water from root reaches to the top of the plant.
that is providing transpiration pull for the easy movement of water in upward direction. And
Excretion of water.
excretion of water, yes. So first point is excretion of water. Second point is provides transpiration pull or suction pull for easy upward movement of water. And the third one, keeping plant cool or temperature management. These are three functions of transpiration pull. Then translocation means
Ma'am, the transport of soluble products of photosynthesis.
yes, transportation of soluble products of photosynthesis. What are those products? Yeah, something is happening. Wait a second. What is happening? Just give me a second. Okay, what are these products?
Starch.
Starch, no, starch is stored. It cannot be transported.
Sucrose.
Glucose.
Sucrose, glucose, sucrose. Arey yaar. Give me a second, I'm restarting. Till that, you write the photosynthesis, this one. What is the transportation through phloem? Explain the transportation through phloem. I'm restarting. Give me 2 seconds. Don't go anywhere.